Good day, my name is Kostik Adima and I am responsible for security promotion inside Avnet Silica and representing Avnet Silica at the European Cybersecurity Organization in Brussels. Security as being a process, a dynamic process for assurance of the hardware and securing the communication. It is a dynamic process and also is based on state-of-the-art technologies which are developed from different suppliers, IC manufacturers and software supplier. One of the most important supplier we have on our white card with a very wide roadmap inside around security is NXP. NXP has two areas where security is implemented coming into the market with the newest certified products for security. On one side are secure elements, on the other side are secure boot MCUs. The newest product from NXP is the LPC55xx family, which brings security for the future today. It has two cortex cores, cortex M33 cores, one being responsible for the security area and the other one for the application area. The most important point of the secure boot MCUs is the certified level of the hardware which is implemented into the device. The most important point for security, because security is starting with random number generators, is that the true random number generator, which is implemented and certified by common criteria and also by MVCO standards according to them. The advantage of using LPC55xx series from NXP is that it has additional two features which are very important for a secure boot MCU. One of them is the PUF. PUF, it means physical unclonable function, which generate by every power on sequence is generating its own key, which means no key is stored somewhere, but is generated by the chip itself. This key is like a fingerprint of this silicon. This can be used for encrypting the data, the firmware, and also encrypting the data which are memorized, which are stored in flash or in RAM. For dynamic encryption and encryption, they have a special block which is called Prince, which is doing on the run. We must also keep in mind that this excellent family has clock for 100 megahertz, which allows us to make this process of encryption and decryption at a very high speed level. On top of that, they have also a Caspar block implemented, which helps the customer to patch the TLS stack into the microcontroller, accelerating the communication over TLS, generating the session keys and storing them in the RAM, which is supervised by the PUF. This device has also, from the hardware point of view, has also a common criteria certification and having additional tamper resistant features, and is incorporating actually is representing the future today, because it's incorporating a secure element inside. And the trends we see in security market, in security technology, is to incorporate as much as possible from standalone secure element into the microcontroller. Thank you.